Hi guys, this is Coach Ideal and our video tutorial today will be on solving simultaneous equations. Right, so before I start, I would like to say that there are two methods in solving simultaneous equations, but use whichever methods that you are comfortable with during your exams. You're not restricted to any of those methods unless they specifically tells you that you must solve it by those certain methods. Right, so the first method that we all know or that we have learned is the substitution. Okay, substitution method. So by the name, it means you have to substitute something for another something. So what I'm going to show you is this is how we do it, right? So these are your two equations. We label them first, and how to choose this method is by looking at the equations, and if there is any terms with just one variable, meaning if there's only just one y, like for this equation, then we should use substitution because it is simpler. Okay, so like I said, since this y is only 1 compared to 3y's, 8x and 2x, I am going to start from that particular equation. So from equation 2, what I'm going to do is make y the subject of the formula. So y is equals to 2 minus 2x. And now I will label this as equation 3. So now we have understood, or now we have already established that y is 2 minus 2x. So we substitute equation 3 into equation 1 that we did not use yet. So what happens when 3 goes into 1? 8x plus 3y. So let's pause. They say it's 3y, and we know that y is equals to 2 minus 2x, right? So we substitute that y with 2 minus 2x. So this is my 3y. This is my y from the equation 1, and it is equals to 7. So now let's expand this bracket. We get 8x plus 6 minus 6x equals to 7. And we further evaluate this. 8x minus 6x is 2x, and 6 I bring over to the other side is equals to 7 minus 6, which is 1. So therefore x is equals to 1 over 2. Okay, so we have already gotten our answer, one of the answer, which is x is equals to half. So let us substitute this value back into either this equation 1, 2 or 3. So just by observing, since I want the value of y, I will substitute this value into equation 3. I'm going to get y equals to 2 minus 2x, and x is equals to half. So this is equals to 2 minus 2 times half is 1. So y is equals to 1. Okay, so these are our two answers, and this is how we apply the substitution method in solving simultaneous equations. Okay, I have one more example, which is for the elimination method, which is on the next slide. So as the name goes, elimination, right? Meaning elimination, meaning we have to eliminate something. So in this context, we are supposed to eliminate one of the variable, either x or y. It is up to us which one we want to eliminate. So for me, I would like to eliminate the variable x, and how we do it is by identifying where are the x. This is my x and this is my x, and we have to make them into the lowest common multiple. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So for equation 1, I need to multiply by 3, and equation 2, I need to multiply by 2. So I have to multiply them throughout, meaning I've got to multiply 3 to 2x, 5y, and 12. So this is what I get from equation 1. I am going to get 6x minus 15y equals to 36, and this I will label as equation 3. And then from equation 2 I will get 6x minus 4y equals to 14. So this is equation number 4. So for now, let us just focus on these two terms, because we are eliminating the x, right? So how are we going to get rid of this x is by subtracting them, meaning the 6x from 3, you have to minus the 6x from 4, then you can eliminate the x, because when you subtract them, the answer is 0. Or alternatively is the 6x from 4 minus the 6x from 3, you will also get a 0x. So it's either 3 minus 4 or 4 minus 3. It is up to you. So let's just go with equation 3 minus equation 4. And what we are going to get is 6x minus 15y. Then we have to minus the equation 4, 6x minus 4y. So that is for the left hand side. For the right hand side is 36 minus 14. So let me just show this clearly. This is from equation 3. This is the minus sign. This is the 4. This is the equal sign. This is the term from equation 3. Then the minus sign. And this is the term from equation 4. So basically, you're looking at equation 3 minus equation 4. Equation 3 minus equation 4, which is this one. Equation 3 minus equation 4. Alright, so let us evaluate the answers. 6x minus 15y minus 6x plus 4y equals to 22. So as you can see, 6x minus 6x, so we have eliminated them, right? So negative 15y plus 4y is negative 11y equals to 22. So therefore y is equals to minus 2. So we have got our first value, which is y equals to minus 2. So let us now substitute this value back into either equation 1, 2, 3 or 4. That is your choice. So I'm going to put this into equation number 1. What I get is 2x minus 5y, which is minus 2, equals to 14. 2x plus 10 equals to 14. So 2x is equals to 14 minus 10 equals to 4. So x is equals to 2. So that is how we use the elimination method to solve our simultaneous equations. Okay, so I hope this lecture has, or this tutorial has explained to you how to use the substitution and the elimination method. So please have a review of this tutorial again and make sure you understand fully, and then you can start practicing solving these simultaneous equations, just to get the hang of it, just to get the flow of how to solve these two equations. Alright, so I see you at other lectures, and have a nice day, guys.